So you need to understand these characters. Panna will be the nurse with the infant. Infant is small child of Uday Singh. Padma and Champa maids. These two characters should be maids. Banbir, a half brother of Uday Singh. Okay, Uday Singh is infant. What is the name of a small boy? Uday Singh. Who is Banbir? Uday Singh's half brother. What is half brother? A brother with whom one has only one parent in common. Repeat after me. Half brother meaning a brother with whom one has only one parent in common. He is called half brother. Okay. The bed chamber of, this is the description of situation where you need to conduct your drama. The bed chamber of infant prince Uday Singh in the palace of Chittor. The prince is sleeping on his ivory bed, and his nurse Panna, who is young Rajput woman, is sitting on another bed. Her little son, who is of the same age as the prince, is lying asleep. Beside her, a maid Padma comes in. Okay, like this, it is a situation. Infant whose name was Uday Singh, sleeping in a ivory bed. Okay, with the nurse. What is the name of the nurse? Padma. Where's the prince? Panna. There he is, and here my son. Both of them have just fallen asleep. Padma. I am worried. Panna. Yes, I too am worried. Everything has been going wrong since the death of Ranaji. Ranaji was a king. Okay. Now all the people during those time, people used to fight each other in order to conquer land. In one of the battles of Ranaji, he was died. Now there is no king. Even king's son is very young, very small boy, infant. So he could not continue his kingship. Nobody seems to be happy. The nobles are quarreling among themselves. They have become mean and selfish. Panna is communicating with the other person. Who is other person? Padma. What they are communicating after the death of Ranjit Singh? Everybody, nobles are nothing but ministers of Ranjit Singh, became very selfish. Okay, very selfish, and they have become very what? Very selfish and mean. That means they are thinking about themselves, not towards the kingdom. Okay, they are talking, both of them. Let us see what will happen. Padma and Ranbir has become very ambitious. Padma and Ranbir, another character, they have become very ambitious to become Banbir. Particularly Banbir became very ambitious because he wanted to become a king. Do you think the nobles like him? He is asking. Do you think he become king? He is asking. Panna, they have to like him. They have to be like him. They are not strong enough to dislike him. Okay, because he was very cruel person. Everybody, if they say that he is not, they are not liking, it will be a problem to him itself. So nobody told him that they don't like. Padma, but isn't he grateful to him? Panna, grateful? Can a snake ever be grateful to anyone? Banbir and gratitude belong to two different worlds. I say, Padma, this Banbir is a curse to the house of Mewar. We have to be careful of him. Okay, Panna, what is take? See, nobody likes snake. Okay, and gratitude belong to two different words. He is not a gratitude person. Okay, or you can say in short, Banbir was not a good person. Nobody liked him. Okay, to be a king instead of Ranaji, he wanted to become a king, but nobody liked him. Padma, but isn't he a son of our late Rana and half brother of our prince? Okay, he is the son of Rana and half brother of prince. So we can't tell anything about him. Panna, he may be anything, but I don't trust the man. He has killed some nobles and has crushed the others. They don't dare to say or do anything against him. They are afraid of him, and he doesn't does what he likes. There is discontent among the people, and there is discontent in the army. Nobody like him. Why they don't like? That is different story. He has killed many nobles. Nobles, again I am telling, they are ministers. And because of that reason there are chaos and confusion in the kingdom. That is also she is trying to explain. And even there is a confusion among the army. Also she is trying to explain, Padma, why doesn't the army throw him out? Though he is a bad person, why army is keeping him into the army? They can't throw him out from the post. She is asking, Panna. It can't. Banbir has formed a party in his own. There are some strong men on his side, and everyone is afraid of him. Nobody can do anything because he has his own party group, whereas all those parties are corrupt people and they are very strong. So nobody like to raise their voice against him. That is what she tries to explain her. Padma, fortunate Mewar, your troubles will never end. What can we do, Panna? Okay, fortunate Mewar is the place where they are there. Okay, I don't know what to do with these type of problems, Panna. She will tell to her. Panna, we can do a lot. Let the time come. She has one courageous word. Yeah, we can do a lot. Let time come. She will try to explain her. Padma, I haven't yet told you the worst about Banbir. Okay, what she says? I haven't yet told you worst about Banbir. Even many things are there to explain about Banbir. They don't know about Banbir. Panna, what is it, Padma? Padma, softly listen. Banbir wants to be the permanent Rana of Mewar. He has resolved to kill the prince. Okay, now softly, slowly she is telling to Panna that he is planning to kill prince and he wanted to become a king of Mewar. She slowly tells to her, Panna, and I have resolved to save the prince. When the Rani, the prince's mother, was dying, she said to me, Panna, I have lost everything except my precious child. I am leaving him in your charge. Be a mother to him and protect him from all harm. I promised her that I would give my life to save the life of the prince. And she died smiling. Banbir cannot kill the prince as long as Panna lives. I will fulfill my promise to my late mistress. During those time, I don't know how much it is acceptable in today's world or today's life. During those time, people used to keep up their promise. To keep up their promise, they used to die. They were ready to die, but they wanted to keep up their promise till the death. Okay, whereas here same happened.